Our next topic is grid system. Designers utilize grid systems as tools to create designs, organize information, and provide uniform user experiences. By using rows and columns that are ordered, the grid system helps in aligning page items. Throughout the design, we use this column-based structure to uniformly position text, pictures, and functionalities. A page is divided into vertical columns using a column grid. Then, the text and UI elements are aligned to these columns. By adding rows, a modular grid extends the column grid further. Modules are formed by intersection of columns and rows, to which the elements and content are aligned. Spatial zones are collections of modules that together define specific fields. Each field may be given a particular function for information display. Then we have flow lines, which is the space between two rows, and we have gutter, which is the space between two columns. Next, manuscript grid. This grid is mainly used in books. So you can see how the grid has been defined. Next, we have column grid. So this column grid is just columns. It is perfect for magazine layouts. There are no rows in the column grid. Next, we have modular grid, where there are rows and columns, along with some gutter width. This is great for posters, flyers, and magazines. Next one is hierarchical grid. So as we look at the picture, first thing that we see is 200 pounds or MySpace and website design, CD sleeve design, and band art. So why are we looking at it? Because it has been given more importance and more bigger text compared to the rest of the website. So this is what a hierarchical grid is. The important information is displayed in a bigger font compared to the rest of the website. This is mostly used for web. Next is composite grid. So the composite grid is just mixing of two different types of grids. Here we have hierarchy as well as modular grid where we have rows and columns.